These chocolate zucchini muffins are so scrumptious. Picky eaters will have no clue that they are eating a vegetable for dessert. Maddie Girl wants to court a new beau, so she signed up for this cooking class and even got here a little early. To start this recipe, we soften 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up, you'll take 2 washed zucchinis, shred those, and toss them into a large mixing bowl. This worked out to be about 2 cups, but no need to be super exact with this recipe. Some recipes call to drain the zucchini, but no need to with this one. We then add a nice ripe peeled banana. Maddie, are you taking notes? We peel our bananas. I've never tried not peeling it, but if you want to get crazy and blend things up, I'm sure that'd be interesting. It's best to let your egg reach room temperature so it doesn't harden the coconut oil later on. Crack, add, and mix well. Add in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla and about 1 teaspoon of salt. We like using natural sweeteners when possible, and this time we went with 1/4 cup of honey. I bought this measuring spoon to be exact when indulging in almond butter because sadly that is a full serving, and today we'll be using it to measure the coconut oil. Next, we're going to sift in 1 1/4 cup of flour and add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the sifter. Side note, how cute is this stackable measuring cup set? While using a sifter isn't necessary, it's a habit my mom encouraged when I was young, which helps to prevent unsavory clumps of baking soda from surprising you in a muffin bite. Then add in 1/2 cup of milk. Whichever milk you prefer should all result in a similar product. Once you mix that in, we'll move on to our next ingredient, and that is 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. It wouldn't hurt to put this stuff through the sifter also. We recently discovered this brand Hue. These gems have only 3 ingredients: cacao, unrefined coconut sugar, and fair trade cocoa butter. Maddie really paid attention to this part. Toss in roughly 1 cup of chocolate chips, chunks, or gems and stir well. We are down to the final ingredient, the second secret ingredient in these muffins that honestly I scratched my head about when I first tried it, and that is apple cider vinegar. It is now a go-to for making things just a little fluffier. Stir in 1 tablespoon and then divide the batter into a greased muffin tin. You could probably use a 9x9 baking dish and enjoy these more like a brownie as well. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 30 minutes. Around 30 minutes they should be looking something like this. These delicious muffins disappear quickly in our house, and although Maddie is an A+ student, pets do not participate in the chocolate consumption. Enjoy!